Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how to insert a SIM card to your new Motorola Moto G82. Normally in the box your phone comes in, you should find a SIM card ejector. If you don't have one, or if you can't find one at the moment, you can also use a simple paper clip and then use this to insert your SIM card. You want to go to your SIM card slot, which is when you have your phone laying down on your left side. This little dot here, put in the paper clip, and then this little thing here pops out. You're gonna take it out, have it here. You can put in two SIM cards. See here, this is also a little SIM card slot thingy. So you can put in two or one and one SD card. We have one SIM card, so we're gonna put in one SIM card. And then look where it goes. So there we have the corner. Always look for the corners here and then put it in carefully. There is no possible way you can put in a SIM card wrong. Put in your SIM card and then put it back in the slot. Now the SIM card is back in the phone. We're gonna turn it on and he will ask you to put in your SIM card pin. Put in the SIM card pin and now we're here. Unlock our phone and now you can see here that we have service. So that's how you know that your SIM card is ready. So that's how easy it is to put a SIM card into your Motorola Moto G82. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe. Hope to see you next time. Bye!